Hi everyone, how are you doing? Guess what? We're about to do April budget for paycheck 2, or budget for April paycheck 2. We have, as you can see, a lot of money that we work with, but as you all know, this is our sinking funds budget. So those are separate videos, but we have the money set aside so we can just make sure that we have everything, because we have other accounts that get a little bit of money as well. So let's go ahead and get started, because as you all know, this can be a long video. So if you enjoy videos about designing a life you love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all in just a minute. Okay, seems that I started a new video, but that's okay. Alrighty, so here we go. Now, as you all know, this can be a long video, so let's get started. So we have 1798 as our amount we're working with. We're probably going to need all of these, so let's see what we can get done. We have, last time I did Amazon Kindle up here. I think I will still do that. We're budgeting 11 for that. We have envelopes at 300 as usual. We have sinking funds at 262. I am still not sure if that's the right number or not. I don't know why it's so wild when I try to do it, but it is. Student loans get $14. Lawn, which I just scheduled to have my lawn service come, so 70 it will be. AT&T 71, Geico 181. Actually, I should probably check my Geico and make sure that's the right amount, because I know it's a little funny sometimes. Gym is going to be 11. How many of y'all are actually still going to your gym? Like, are you using your gym membership? I am really debating on whether I should cancel mine. Netflix is 17. Home maintenance is 60, and that's a transfer within accounts. Emergency savings is 100, another transfer internally. Visa payment is 176. NTTA gets 50. Amazon Music is 9. Cushion is 10. Date is 90. Security savings gets 60. House savings gets 10. Car emergencies gets 10. Yes. New car gets 5. Waxing is 88. And giving, oh my goodness, we just made it. Giving gets 10. And that's everything, y'all. Let's add this up and see what we get. My prayer is that I got it right on the first time. Let's try it, y'all. Okay, 11 plus 300 plus, let me go down, 262 plus 14 plus 70 plus 71 plus 181 plus 11 plus 17 plus 60 plus 100 plus 176 plus 50 plus 9 plus 10 plus 90 plus 60 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 88 plus 10. That is definitely off. Ah, no! What happened? What happened, y'all? We were doing so good. Okay, let's go back. 11. 300, 262, 14, 70, 71, 1. Oh, that's where we are. That's what we're missing. Oh, and that's what we're missing from here. Okay, it didn't get written in. I was like, oh no, something is missing. Okay, plus 181. Okay, we're still off by $2 apparently. So I'll have to figure out where that went. But it should be, we're missing the 180, no wait, 183. Woo, perfect. Yes, there it is. Okay, found it, y'all. Whew, okay, Geico. Oh, okay, I put Geico in there, but that should have been 183 for Geico. And it should have been T-Mobile with 181. Okay. Woo! Found it. Okay, there we are. Perfect. Got it. Yay! Okay. Now we get to the fun stuff. All right, so pull out. Things that need to be pulled out are sinking funds. So that's 262. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. So that's 2. And then we need 62. So 20 or 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 1 and 2. I hope I have enough money. That should be 262 for sinking funds. Then we have student loans should get 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 14 for student loans. We have $10. Let me do a check. Let's go down. Go down. None of those come out. That doesn't come out. That doesn't come out. That doesn't come out. That doesn't come out. But this one does. Cars should get 10. Perfect. New car should get 5. Perfect. Check that off. Giving should get 10. Perfect. Yay! Okay, we have the perfect amount out. 262 for student loans, so we'll set that to the side because I will do that later. I, of course, have not pulled out my giving envelope, so I won't be able to put that away. But we do have student loans, and I don't think I track how much I'm putting. Oh, I do. Okay. So let me go ahead. Student loans should have 63. So 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63. We're adding 14. $20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. 77. And let me grab another one to update this with. Okay, we're going to call this one April Paycheck 2. I don't know where I'm going to put this. I need to get a better system, y'all. April Paycheck 2, and we have student loans at, what was it again? 70 something? 10, 20, 30, 40, 40, bleh. 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 77. That's some nice progress though. Okay. And then we have, so that one's done. And then we have house savings, debt, emergency, security, house. Yes, house savings gets 10. Is it house savings or is it car savings? No, it's car. Okay. Glad I looked at that. Car savings gets 10. Because the other one goes in our account. And car emergencies is at 93. Oh my gosh, y'all. House emergencies. Car emergencies. This is going to push us over 100. 20, 40, 60. Oopsie. 20, 40, 60. Don't want to confuse those. 70, 80, 90. 95, 100. 1, 2, 3. We just hit $100 in savings for car emergencies. Woo! That's so exciting. I'm so happy. Okay. 103. Okay, and then new car, which still doesn't have an envelope. One day I'll make an envelope for new car. It even says on there, make a new car savings envelope. A new car. Let's see, new car, security, and emergencies. Okay, so new car had 20, 30, or 20, 1, 2, 3. We got 5, so now it has 28. That's a slow moving one, but that's okay. Okay, so these go over here, and that's it. We'll put the $10 into our giving envelope and we'll be done. So yay! Progress has been made. I am very excited, and now we can go and do our long, we know we love it, but they are long, sinking fun stuffing videos. Woo! So thank you all for watching. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Take care of your money, take care of yourselves, and I'll see y'all later. Have a good one. Bye bye.